Griffin here. Hey, I wanted to talk to you today about this 80 volt snow thrower by Greenworks. It's a neat little unit. It has a chute adjusting here, lever. It's got a quick adjustment for the chute angles. The guy runs off of this 80 volt battery. The 80 volt battery has a power indicator on it. It will charge in about 30 minutes with the charger. It's a fast charger, so you won't find another voltage out there. This is the highest voltage in the industry. You won't find another voltage out there that like this that charges in 30 minutes. It'll run about 45 minutes depending on the depth of the snow, and it'll shoot snow about 20 to 25 feet depending on the composition of it. So it's very nice and ergonomic. It has LED lights, so I'll show you how those work. It's LED headlights, so when you're in darker conditions, that's going to help you see your way. It's got a nice compact design where you can fold up the handles for easy storage. So, a great little machine. It's available at Lowe's this year, and then then it'll be available out in the market next year for most of the retailers. So I'm going to run it for a few minutes here just so you guys can see how it works. So thanks a lot and have a great day. So you'll notice that was it's a pretty wet snow that we have here today, so it still does a really good job though of cleaning out the driveway. So hopefully this helps you guys out today. Thanks a lot.